random magic. My name is Rohan and today I'm going to show you some really cool techniques. So let's start. Starting after, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe and give a thumbs up to my videos. So let's start. So I'm going to tell the technique name is how to control the bottom cards and the top cards. So means how to control the bottom card to top and the top card to bottom. For example, now you can see this is the queen of clubs. I just control it to bottom and you can see the queen of clubs appears on the bottom. So like that, I just shuffle a deck there, and now I'm going to want to choose any random card. For example, choose this queen of diamonds. So what I'm going to memorize your card, guys. This is your card is queen of diamonds. I just place it on the top, and now I'm going to do this. I'm going to shuffle the cards there. Then I do it once again, and then give us refill shuffle. Sometimes give some of the refill shuffle here. Then it goes in, and then that's it. And now you guys may be thinking that your card is gone somewhere in the middle of the deck, but you are wrong, guys. Snap my fingers and the magician never fails, as you can see. So right now I'm going to show you how to do this, guys. So it's time to tell you how the trick is, the technique is, and you can use this as whether a technique or the trick, does not matter. You just should be knowing how to do this, and I'm going to make more videos about this and this trick technique. Please, I suggest you to please learn this. That's it, and quick, and please wait for the next video, which is the double lift video. I'm going to soon post it, guys. So how you do is, guys, just shuffle. You can shuffle how much you want for, and choose a random card or the spectator's card. For example, choose this one, the 8 of diamonds here. So what you do is, guys, right now you just place it on the top here and tell it still right here, and then what you do is, guys, or then you proceed. Now what you do is, guys, just slide one card. Now we know the first card is there, the 8 of diamonds. Just slide one card, which is their card, and you just put all the cards on the top there. And now we know that the card is on the bottom here. Right now you can see 8 of diamonds goes here. So if you did not understand, I'm going to show you once again. So quick learn. So you can see the 8 of diamonds is here. You just slide one card, which is their card, and just put all the cards there like this, and then now we know the card is on the bottom. How to control from the bottom, guys? You just do it like this, and then what you guys do is, guys, you slide all the cards. Then now we know that this is the card. You can see here the 8 of diamonds, just placed like this. So hope you understand. Please learn this, guys. Only 1 or 2 hours. That's it of practice. Now what we do is, guys, now you want to do the refill shuffle. That's no problem. Now we know this. The card is on the top. You just cut the deck and place it on the right side or left or whatever. Now we know the card is here, right? The 8 of diamonds. You just take this part, and when you shuffle, guys, I'm going to show you from the side angle here. Hope you see clearly. Leave all the cards, and all you do is leave a few cards here. Now you can know this is that card right now here. So that's it. And what you do is, guys, you just make it there. I want to show you once again. If you did not understand what I did, you just take that here. The card is here, right? And what you do is, guys, take like this and leave few cards from whichever pile. And what you do is, guys, leave 2-3 cards here, and then you just flap all the cards here. Okay, now we know the card is on the top. You just make it like this. I have only half an hour practice needs, guys, and how to do it in a fast manner, guys, not any slow motion. You just do it like this, and now the card is here. It looks like a real shuffle, and then you just whatever there, you push it, snap your fingers, and the card comes. Even you can use this in many tricks, guys. I did the last trick, Jack the Bounty Hunter, and whatever the sandwich card. I even used this trick for sandwich. What I did, the card comes here, right? And whatever I want to explain in other video, don't right now, not here. So this is it, guys. Meet you next time. Till that, bye bye. Please subscribe and give a thumbs up to my videos. I want to show you more cool tricks and techniques. That's it. Meet you next time. Till that, bye bye. Please subscribe and like my video.